so I just want to show you guys what we call the Pum Pum Rock. It's, pardon that, but that's how we call it here at Jamaica. It's a very popular rock, actually, with the Jamaicans when you're passing Flatbridge, which I can't believe where I'm even standing. So let me show you guys. So there it is. The world's famous V-Rock. Now you can see why they call it that.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. So finally, got to stop and taking a view from the gorge view bar. So it's like you get a good view of the Rio Cobre. So this is it. Yeah, this is how the water always looks. So this looks like a nice little bar, nice little chill spot. You can come and just have a drink while you have a nice overview of the river. It's nice. I'm really tired though. Hey guys, so what's up? So today we're gonna be going to Dornoch Head, this river somewhere in Falmouth, Trelawny, and I've seen a few pics online and it's actually pretty amazing, and I guess we're gonna check it out today. Please do pardon my tiredness. I went to bed like 4 this morning and got up like 8, 7, 8. So I'm really tired. So I'm on my pop down meds. So yeah, today should be a really interesting day because the Dornoch is very spectacular as the reviews state online. And then we might head to Good Hope Great House. So now we're in Stewartstown, which is pretty close to where we're heading. So we're almost there. I had me a Red Bull, so I'm all energized and ready to vlog. I think you'd call this far into the bushes. I'm not even sure if we're at the... Oh, we found it! So we're here. Oh, there it is. It looks better on the internet. Yeah, it does look better on the internet, but it still looks nice, I guess. Okay, so this place is actually pretty hidden also. A few people know about it, just like the other one. I think a lot of people know more about the other one than this one. But it has a lot of pics on the internet too. And I don't know if it's because there's not much sunlight out, but it's not as glistening, if that's even a word. It's not as how I expected it to be. I actually thought that they were gonna have some more tree roots or something like that falling down, but I guess not. I know that coming here, you will think that somebody's trying to kidnap you because it's a lot of bush, as we would say, a lot of bushes, and it's a small track to drive on. But yeah, it's not that bad, you know. Let me zoom in. There we go. I think they used to have some more of those little branchy things coming down on some of the pics that I see. I don't know what that is in the water. Lots of leaves. But that tree right there is actually nice. So yeah, the closer view. Actually not that bad when you come closer to it. Zoom into underneath that rock. Like when I zoom in, there are a lot of little leaves right there, which is pretty. Which is quite pretty actually. But the camera's not showing it as how I want it to. But oh well. And then the water runs down and meets the sea. I'll actually place in the description box links to how you can know more about this place, where exactly it is, and the history of it, I guess. But yeah, it's quiet and pretty discreet. So yeah, I want to sleep. That's what's up. I feel so tired. The Red Bull didn't work fully. Now my shoes is all messed up. Oh. But yeah, this is the river running down to the sea, to meet the sea actually. I think the only problem I have with here is the mosquitoes. Well, I think them get the memo today.
They didn't get the memo.
Mosquitoes. So we're just leaving Dornoch Head and mosquitoes were going to kill me there. So we left. The girls couldn't stand it at all, and the repellent really wasn't helping. So we're leaving there and heading to the Good Oak Great House now to view that. I think they have a river there, so hopefully less mosquitoes. Yeah, Dornoch is, I don't know why, but the pictures on the internet are like way better. I don't know if it's because there was not much sun out or if it's because the rain fell, but the water wasn't clear and it's just prettier on the net. But it was still good. There are a few trees there that were just nice to view, so yeah. So yeah, that's about it. So the guy just told us that this is where Stella Got Her Groove Back was recorded, so that's pretty cool. I don't even know, it's closing time and I don't even know if we're gonna get a good tour. But yeah, that looks. So there the girls are checking out the view. Oh, these are nice. Oh my god, I so love this painting right here. I would want that in my bedroom like so bad. Like I love that painting. Like look at these beds. And there I am. Hi, skinny me. But the paintings here are really nice. I'm just sorry that we can't get a full history tour. Like, look at this. Oh my god. Oh, ancient days. Oh my god. Yo, I so wish that we could get a full tour about this place, but we came late. And hold on there, wait. So a while ago, I just come outside from the room, and I hear like a footstep behind me, and then the door shut. But sure enough, on the ear, I'm sure you guys heard when that door slammed shut. You know what? I'm coming out of here. I'm sorry. I'll stay outside. I'm too scared for this. And then the chandelier just started. So I was inside looking, and as soon as I came outside of the room, I heard like a footstep behind me, and then the door slammed. I don't know if it's the breeze. I don't care if it's the breeze. But hear what? I'm good outside. The chandelier just started shaking and everything. Oh, I'm okay. I'm gonna take myself downstairs and look on the outside of the house.
Yeah.
It's alright. At least I got to see. I think it's because I opened that case a while ago. I shouldn't have touched it. Jesus, please. And knowing all me scary already. I'm such a fraidy cat.
No. Tell him sorry. So you run out. No, people come out to me and say, you know what I'm saying?
No.
See people are walking there behind.
No, me tell you, like
Yeah,
literally, me hear a footstep behind me, and then the door just slam shut, and then the chandelier when me stand up over, just start shake. So me come out. I swear.
Alright.
That's time I come out.
Run out.
Alright.
No.
See this lady, the house is built for. She buried right in the room, so.
The room they right there, sir?
Room.
She buried right there in the room?
She buried in the room.
She buried our grave in there, so that's what I'm building.
You're being honest
Ashes.
right now?
Grave?
And they
For
bury
the
her,
body,
yeah, man.
for the corpse, or is
Yeah, man.
ashes?
Because 7 years after.
So she built inside of the house. She built in the house.
She buried in the house, yeah. 17.
Yeah, I wonder if you just
You
run
see
me
the
out.
Duppy? The Duppy run her down, but she go fast with the people them suitcase.
1762. She dead and buried in the house.
No, seriously, like, I literally just opened something and looking at it, and then as I come out of the room, some hear like one footstep behind me, and then the door just slam shut, and the chandelier when I stand up over, just start shake, so. So people, so wait.
She going, no, she going to go people at the thing on the button.
Inside of the house.
Not to have a look night.
So wait, people come here already and say them say like, seriously?
So she goes and walk around the house.
So come to come and great to
I can't see ghosts, no about ghosts, I'm not busy with that.
Hi! Built for her too. Built a great house for her, so she can.
Was me. Yeah, the video.
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah, man.
She didn't want the house.
Jesus.
Yeah, she was born.
And then like, oh me so Freddy already, I don't know where them come to me this far.
and she did and him and just bury me now. So we
Yeah, more on peep too. So in here, so the lady buried in here, so.
And I don't think she like you very much because she never lick it with the chandelier.
Probably the shot like she.
Like she? So yeah. Yes, a nice lawn. Oh, so we can go in the room, see the room right here, so. Yeah. So we're going into the room that the lady was buried under. Oh my God.
Elizabeth Williams, wife of Colonel Thomas, I guess. So.
Kodo.
His name so.
Kodo Williams.
No, Colonel. No, it's
Oh,
Cole.
she was
No,
24
Colonel,
years
C.O.L.
and 5 months.
Yeah.
And this is
Though
her
in the
grave.
path of death I tread, with gloomy horrors overspread. My steadfast heart shall fear no ill, for thou, O
This is what they used to use for the telling the time. So it just moves automatically?
No, it stay there, and when the sun moves,
It moves with it?
the shadow.
Oh, the shadow tell the time.
cast on the hours.
Oh. The view nice still. Yeah, nice view. And the house is real pretty.
See them here.
I wish I could get it like really clear. So that's the hummingbird, the Jamaican hummingbird. The Marb River. This is the Marb River. After you pass the Great House, then you can find this river, the old Spanish bridge. All these bamboos. Old house over there. All these trees. Real nice. This is real pretty though. I wonder if there's any crocodiles or alligators down. I want to go close, but I don't want to go too close because you know I have no luck all day. I don't want anything to just jump out of the water and hold me. But yeah, it's real nice, man. Just Snapchatting, keeping my peeps, my Snapchat peeps, aware of what I'm up to. Follow me on Snapchat, by the way. Yeah, the boiling house. See, I'm not push my head through nothing again, you know. I'm gonna be too boiling house.
That's what them boil the key, you know.
Yeah.
Them boil the what?
The sugar cane. But this is the boiling house. It's so nice. Ah. This might be a very long vlog. I might have to cut it in two. Yeah, let me show you guys the view that I'm sitting in front of.